As the question says, find the reading of the spring balance shown in figure. The elevator is going up with an acceleration of g by 10. The pulley and the string are light and the pulley is smooth. So let us assume that there is tension T in these strings. Now let us first consider these blocks along with the pseudo force. That is, we are not taking into account this acceleration but the pseudo force into account. So making the free body diagram, if we assume this block to be 1 and this to be 2, let us proceed with the free body diagram of the first block, in which we have a block of 3 kg, in which a downward force of mg is present, plus mass into acceleration, that is g by 10 is present, a tension T is present in the upward direction, and an overall acceleration a1 is present in the upward direction. Forming the equation, we have thrice of a1 equals to T minus 3g minus 3g by 10. Putting the values over here, we get T minus 29.4 minus 0.98 equals to thrice of a1. Marking it as equation number 2 and proceeding to the free body diagram of the second block, where we can show a block of mass m, that is 1.5, having a force mg downwards plus a pseudo force mg by 10 in the downward direction and acceleration a2 upwards and a tension T, giving us the equation as mass into acceleration equals to T minus 1.5 g minus 1.5 g by 10. Putting the values in this, we get the equation T minus 14 by 7 minus 0.147 equals to 1.5a2. Okay, now we are having two equations, 1 and 2, but the variables are 3, that is tension a1 and a2. So we need one more equation to solve this problem. Now leave the matter that we discussed the problem with respect to this. We have found out the parameters and the equation, that's it. What the thing is that if the acceleration is a1 in the upward, a2 in the downward, then for the pulley, since we don't have the mass of the pulley, we cannot consider the pseudo force on the pulley. So we will have to consider this pulley with respect to ground only. That is why we are discussing half of the part with respect to the ground, while half is discussed with being respect to this box. So discussing the other half, we have acceleration of the pulley being g by 10. Therefore, a1 plus a2 is twice of g by 10. Taking this approximately to be 2, we put it the a1 equals to 2 minus a2 in equation number 1. So, solving the equations, we get a2 equals to 4.7. Then a1 can be found out to be minus 2.7 approximately. Now, what is the tension T? From equation number 2, we get the tension T equals to 22 Newton approximately. Now, this is balancing a force of 2T, so the reading will be equal to 2T, that is 44 Newton. But since this is a spring force and it will express it in kg, therefore it will show it as 4.4 kg, giving us the answer for this problem.